Hello guys. If you have a photo with a dull or boring background, you can actually transform it into a professional DSLR-style shot using just one simple prompt. Make sure to watch the full video because I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to open the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus icon and select the Create Image tool. Hit the plus icon again, but this time, go to your photos and select the picture you want to edit. Once your photo is uploaded, just paste the specific prompt right here. I'll show you where to grab this prompt later in the video. Now, it takes a little bit of time for the AI to generate the new version, so just hang tight for a moment. As you can see, our photo is ready, and the way it blurred the background is absolutely perfect. To save it, just click the Save button at the top to download the final result to your device. To get this prompt, just head over to the description below the video and simply copy it from there. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments. See you in the next one.